A fair coin is flipped 12 times. Number 1. Find the probability that no more than 6 of the flips turn up tails. Well, first of all, we need to recognize that this is a binomial experiment because we have a coin being flipped 12 times. That is, we have 12 trials. So we have a binomial experiment with n, the number of trials, equal to 12. And the probability of success is 0.5 or 1/2, where here success means that we get tails. So success means tails is flipped. Success means tails. Once we've identified this as a binomial distribution, then we can start answering the questions. Find the probability that no more than 6 of the flips turn up tails. So we're looking for the probability of no more than 6. No more than 6. That means up to 6. Up to 6 coins turn up tails. So on GeoGebra, that's binomial dist. And we need n, p, that is the number of trials, the probability of success, the value of x, which is 6, and since we want the probability of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to 6, this is cumulative, so we will use true for the last argument. We need 20. 12, 0.5, 6, true. Okay, binomial dist, number of trials 12, probability of success 1/2. A variable value of 6, and yes, we want it to be cumulative, 0.6128. 0.6128. Number 2. Define a random variable appropriate to this situation. So even though we didn't talk about it by x, we mean x being number of heads, not heads, tails. Tails in 12 flips. So this is a variable. It varies from 0 to 12. Okay, and number 3, we find the standard deviation of that random variable. There's a formula for that. The standard deviation sigma is the square root of n times p, the probability of success, times the probability of failure, or 1 minus p. And sometimes you'll see that written like this, n p q. Q is understood to be the probability of failure. So same thing, and in this case that means we have the square root of 12, n is 12, probability of success is 1/2, the probability of not success, in other words, probability of failure, is also 1/2. So we have the square root of 3. 12 times 1/2 is 6, times 1/2 again is 3. And the square root of 3 is approximately 1.7. So that'll do, approximately 1.7.